Episode 1. How to multiply positive times positive. Positive times positive equals positive. Positive 4 multiplied by positive 2 equals positive 8. Positive 5 multiplied by positive 7 equals positive 35. Episode 2. How to multiply positive times negative. Positive times negative equals negative. Positive 5 multiplied by negative 6 equals negative 30. Positive 8 multiplied by negative 9 equals negative 72. Subscribe to the channel for more fun math videos before the next episode. Episode 3. How to multiply negative times positive. Negative times positive equals negative. Negative 6 multiplied by positive 4 equals negative 24. Negative 9 multiplied by positive 8 equals negative 72. Rules of Signs Episode 4. Negative times negative. Negative times negative equals positive. Negative 4 multiplied by negative 3 equals positive 12. Negative 6 multiplied by negative 7 equals positive 42. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.